Here are the instructions to complete the volunteer exploration assignment. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and log into your Google Drive account. You'll go to Google and you'll click sign in. And you're going to type in your email address and your password. You're going to come back here, and step 2 says click here to go to the volunteer exploration assignment, and this is going to open when you click it. It says go to File, make a copy to save this file to your own Google Drive so you can edit it just like you've had to do before. So you go to File, make a copy. You can take off the copy of part, and you're going to click OK, and it's going to open this. And the next thing you're going to do, it says click here to go to volunteermatch.org. You will need this website for the assignment. So click there. And that's going to open this website. Now you can go back to this and you're going to follow the directions right here. The first direction, watch the video on the website. That's this video. So the first thing you're going to do is put your name and today's date. Today is obviously you can put whatever your name is and what the date is. Okay, it says go to volunteermatch.org and click on the site that says volunteer, on the link that says volunteers at the top of the page. So I'm going to go here and this link right here, volunteers, I'm going to click on that. It goes to a page that says we found blank, a number, volunteer opportunities near, and then a city's name in the box. If the city doesn't say Sacramento, click on the box, delete the city that's listed, and type in Sacramento. Then click the orange check mark. So for some reason it's coming up with Novato. I don't understand why, but I'm going to go ahead and type Sacramento and click that. And choose Sacramento, California. We're not in Kentucky or Pennsylvania. It says complete the questions below. When you're done with this assignment, you're going to print 2 copies and turn them in to your teacher. Okay, the first question is, look at the left side of the page where it says cause areas. Down here, it says cause areas. Scroll down to where it says see all cause areas and click on that link. So right here it says cause areas, right here it says see all cause areas, and you get this big list right here. Read through the list that says choose your cause areas and check the box next to 5 areas that you would be interested in. List those 5 areas here. So I'm going to find 5 I think would be interesting. I'm going to choose animals because I like animals. I'm going to choose computers because I like computers. I'm going to choose education and literacy because I'm a teacher and we like that. Let's see. I'm going to choose hunger. And let's go with sports and recreation. Those sound interesting. You can choose more if you want, but you need to choose at least 5. So let's go click search. Which is what it says to do. Okay, I was supposed to list those 5 areas there. Okay, so I chose animals, computers, and something. What did it say? Oh, we kind of cut it off. Okay, let's just go with computers. So I wrote animals, computers, education and literacy, hunger, and sports and recreation. So those are my 5 areas. You can pick whatever you want. It says after you check the box for the cause areas you're interested in, click search. Oh, I kind of jumped the gun on that one. So let's go search. How many volunteer opportunities does Volunteer Match find? Okay, it says we found 244 volunteer opportunities. Now it says scroll down the list of volunteer opportunities and find one that you find interesting. Click on the title of the listing and complete the information in the box below. Okay, so if there's 244, they're not all going to be on the same page. Here it says you're only looking at 1 through 10. So you can look through here, but don't just go with something because it's on the first page. Maybe none of these look interesting to you. You can close that, by the way. That's kind of annoying. So I'm going to keep looking. I might go to the second page. I think I'm going to change from education to something else because it's only showing really education ones. Let me switch to do environment search. All right, so that's going to change it a little bit. Now I have 269. Okay, so let's find something. See, it still says Novato at the top, but this is Sacramento. So let me find something that looks interesting. Nope, it still has me on page 2. Almost going. I want an animal related one. It's giving me a lot of different ones. Let's pick this one. This is a gardening one. Colonial Heights Library, which is down in South Sac. It's going to say, what's the title of the listing? It says, get your hands dirty at the library, garden prep needed. What organization is it with? It is with the Sacramento Public Library Colonial Heights Library. When is this opportunity? It says it's flexible, will work with your schedule. They will work with your schedule. Where is this opportunity? Well, it says it's with the Sacramento Public Library Colonial Heights, so I'm assuming it's going to be there. But you can just copy and paste this address right here. It doesn't want to paste it, and that's weird. Let's try this again. See if it'll like it this time. There we go. Colonial Heights Library, 4799 Stockton Boulevard, Sacramento, California, 95820. Okay, so now you get to this fun part. Use Google Maps to search for directions from where you live to this volunteer opportunity. How far is it? How would you get there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Google Maps. And that's maps. Google.com, and that address I just copied, I'm going to paste into here. And it's going to find it. I'm not going to give you guys my home address, but I'm going to click on directions. I'm going to type in the school's address, which is 5715 Scabarla, and I'm going to see how far it is. So if I were to go from here, it is 13.5 miles. Okay, so how far is it? It's 13.5 miles. How would I get there? I would drive there. If you guys don't have a car, you may have to get a ride from someone else. You can write that you'll get a ride from someone else. You can write that you would take the bus or whatever you want to do. All right, write 2 to 3 sentences that summarize the quote about section and what you would be doing if you volunteered here. So let's go back here. It says about the Colonial Heights Library. Look, it has a read more. It's preparing for a native plants demonstration garden to be installed. We need volunteers to help prep the area by clearing blah, blah, blah. This is a perfect opportunity for a group looking to help their community along with individuals. This job's physically demanding, recommended for those that love to see work outdoors and enjoy seeing quick results. So if I were going to write a summary, I would say the library, remember 2 to 3 sentences, is preparing to put in a new demonstration garden and needs volunteers to help clear out old plants and weeds. The job is recommended for someone who likes to work outdoors. What else did they say? And enjoy seeing quick results. Why? Because, you know, when you pull out old plants and get to put in new stuff and make it look all good, you know, you see quick results. What skills is this job list that you will be able to get? So let's look over here. There it says skills. It says landscaping, gardening, horticulture. Horticulture just means understanding more about plants, knowing about different types of plants, etc. What requirements, commitments does this job have? It says you must be at least 14. This is a physically demanding opportunity. You must be able to work outside, bend, lift, and carry. I'm just going to copy that and see if I can paste it in here. Oops, that's right. It wants you to use the keyboard shortcuts. So it just pasted right in there. That works really well. How do you apply for this position? And it says, hint, if it's not listed in the job description, click the big I want to help button near the top of the listing. So let's see if it's in the job description right here. Well, it doesn't say it in here. Doesn't really say. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this, and then it's going to make you sign up for an account. So you need to sign up for an account. You can put your name, your zip code where you live, your email address. You'll have to make a password, and then you're going to click done and sign up. Or you can sign in with Facebook if you have Facebook. So basically how to sign up for it, the question is, how do you apply for this position? You need to sign up for an account with volunteermatch.org and then fill out their online application. So basically, once you sign up, Volunteer Match is going to have a little online application for this, and you'll put in that you're interested in this, and they will send your information to whatever organization that you're volunteering for, which in this case is Sacramento Public Library, Colonial Heights Library. It says, are there any reviews for this listing? I'm going to hit cancel on this. Let's see, there are 3 reviews for this. So it says, if yes, go read them and summarize what they say. If no, then write no reviews in the box. So this has good reviews. It has 5-star reviews with 3 reviews. A lot of them aren't going to have reviews, but it's always nice to see what people say. So there's 3 reviews. It says, this is a wonderful place to volunteer. I volunteered there for a few months. Look forward to coming every day. The staff was friendly, cheerful, knowledgeable, and willing to help. I learned a variety of skills, and it was a great opportunity to add to my resume. This sounds like a really good volunteer opportunity because it's going to help your resume. Someone else said, this is a fun and relaxing way to volunteer. I'm a technical assistant at the library and I love it. It brings out great opportunities. You'll be giving lots of customer service, getting work experience, and much more. And then a third one that says, we love our community. So what do the listings say? To summarize, it said, it's a great place to work and it provides great work experience for your resume. So obviously you're going to be doing your own volunteer opportunity. You're not going to be picking the library one like I just did, but find something that you think looks interesting. Now that you've done